Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we got a 2012 Honda Civic leaking from the timing chain inspection plate. And you're gonna find it on the right side of the engine. So this is a very common issue to leak on this car. I'm gonna show you how to get this replaced and cleaned and installed. So the plate is held on by three 10mm screws. Those are very easy to access and get that cover plate off. Once you get it off, so what you're going to want to do is remove the old gasket. So this is the front part that you see. The installed part is going to be underneath right here. And what I already did is I went ahead and cleaned off all the gasket. I went around with the razor blade, just did a fine cut like this. Once I got most of it off, you're going to want to use a wire brush, and you just brush around like this. You'll see all of it come right off. You're just going to keep brushing around until it looks like this. So it looks really clean. No dirt and no old gasket in place. So all this shiny part right here, this is the surface, the mating surface. This is what you're going to want to clean off. So again, be very careful. You're going to use a razor blade. I recommend you use a Scotch-Brite, but you can also just with the razor blade just lightly go around all the edges. Make sure you get it all nice and clean, just like this. And once you get it like that, nice and clean, we can go over to the plate and lay down the new sealer. Mega Black, you can get this at any auto parts store, but if you want the OEM one, it is called Honda Bond. You can go to Honda and ask for it there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna lay down the bead like this. When it comes to the screws, for now we're gonna go around it like this, just go around, and then we'll come back and do the last circle at the very end. So it's really hard to put it in by hand. So what I did is I have a bendable magnet that's going to hold the plate here, and we're just going to feed it on down. Once the screws are tightened down, let the car sit for 24 hours to let the sealer completely dry. I hope this video was helpful. Let me know down in the comments what you think. If you found value from the video, subscribe to the channel and check out my other videos that provide step-by-step instructions and share tips and tricks along the way. Share a video with someone who you think can benefit from my channel as well, and I'll see you in the next one.